Hello, and welcome to the Entering Notes in RioCompass video tutorial. This video will show you how to enter notes in RioCompass. To access RioCompass, enter matrix.riosalado.edu in your browser. Keep in mind that I'm using the test environment, so the URL that displays on my screen is a little different. Sign in using the same login information that you used to log into your computer. Because I'm logging into the test environment, my login is a little different. My username is my MEID rather than internal/firstname.lastname. Select RioCompass from the list of applications. In the Logged In As drop-down in the upper right side of the screen, select your permission group. This brings you to your dashboard. At the top of your dashboard, click on the Search option and select Student Search. There are several search criteria to choose from, but you will most likely use the student ID. Click on the student's name to access the student's account. Select the Notes tab, and in the Contact Notes section, click on Add Note. Enter a short description of the topic of the note contents and a clear and concise note with the facts you need to record. The follow-up date and priority fields are not required, but can be useful tools if you have an item that you will need to follow up on in the future. If you check the box and select a date in the follow-up date field, the item will be added to the follow-up queue on your dashboard. You can also check the box by the priority field to flag the item as a priority. Next, select the means of communication you had with the student from the Contact Type dropdown. The Contact Group Activity dropdown has options arranged by department. Find your department in the list and choose the option that best describes the reason for the interaction with the student. Next, select the site where you work from the Contact Site dropdown. Valuable data can be collected from the information in these dropdowns, so please be as accurate as possible in your selections. The View Permission Level field will default to this application only. Use this default selection unless there is a valid reason for your note to show up in other Rio Salado applications. Once you have all these fields completed, click Insert to submit your note. Once a note is submitted, there are several ways to filter as you search for needed notes, such as Group, Activity, Site, and Modified By. Once you've made your filter selection, click Apply Filters to display the results of your search. Thank you for watching the Entering Notes in RioCompass video tutorial.